So you have to consider, if you can have a life, so to speak, it requires quite a bit of your storage space in your mind to run a life. You got to take care of the details, right? To some degree. And I sub out most of that stuff, it's true. But still, I have to have the wherewithal to take care of that. So there's a lot of details that create a life, that take up a lot of our attention. And you have to acknowledge that to some degree. The idea of being, going into a monastery or monk or separating yourself from that frees you from that particular storage problem and organization problem. Somewhere there's a balance there. It might take time, but create a place that you can go to. And I'm reminding myself, that's what I'm doing here, to sit back in yourself and re-examine everything. And everything that I believe that, I really examine myself. Just that level of acceptance and understanding. This is the story. This is worked. This has become self-creative. And acknowledging that. And I think, again, this is for everyone. This is just where I'm at in this particular point in the pathway of my evolutionary consciousness. This is how I would describe it, using the language system, which I would classify as probably combination Northern Southern California English, surfer, hippie, yogi kind of sub-dialect here. That. So I'm just having fun with this in a sense, enjoying my own inner exploration, trying to share that. So, and with myself, of course, here to really, again, examine the truth of this. And I said it with the yoga, I said it with the Sakriya, I said it with the entire biological form here, setting into a neurological, psychological pattern that actually can be coherent. I think I've talked enough for a minute. So now.